Alright, this video I'm going to show you the answer to the question that many people always want to know, and that is, does Alexa listen to you all the time? And does it record everything you say and do? Now, Alexa has an open mic service, as most people know, so when you say Alexa, basically she starts listening to what you say. What people don't understand is that sometimes, if you say it by accident, it still records everything that it hears in the background. So if you go into your Amazon account, once you log into your Amazon account, so if you go over here to customer service, click on that. And there's other ways you can actually click through the menu and find it, but it's easier to just go to that. If you scroll down to where it says help topic, type in Alexa history. When you click on that, you'll find a bunch of stuff over here, and it says review your Alexa voice history. Click on that. It shows you how to do it in the app, and it also shows you how to do it from here. So basically I'm going to go to the Alexa privacy settings page. Once that pulls up, down here at the bottom you'll see review voice history, review history of detected sounds, smart home devices, all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to go into the voice history, and you'll notice it's even sorted by the day, the date. If you click on this, you can actually change the date to as long as you've had the device. So let's say all history. So everything you've ever said around Alexa is now listed in here, and it's all typed out for you. So basically anything you've ever said or done around Alexa, as long as she was listening, is recorded. Now they can take all this information for the stuff you've searched for and actually created new searches for you. They can create new content around it. All of this is open access for Amazon to do with whatever they want to. So to answer your question, does Alexa listen and record everything you say? Not everything, but a good bit of it is all recorded. And that's how you can pull it up and find out. Again, you can search by the day, the date, the week, the different types of detected sounds. You can actually set Alexa to record sounds in the room. So you can basically set it up like an alarm system. You could set it up so she listens for doors opening, all kinds of things. But basically that's just to let you know that Alexa does listen to what you say, and it does record everything you do. And Amazon employees have access to everything you've said and done as long as Alexa's listening. There is an option to go in there and delete the history, but if you're using an Alexa device, realistically, are you going to go in there every single day and delete the history? You can also tell Alexa to forget everything that you've told her today, so you don't actually have to go into here to delete it. You just say, Alexa, forget everything I've said today, and she will actually delete the memory for the day. But again, end of the day, are you going to tell it every single day to forget everything you've said or done? Probably not. Some people will, but either way, just an informative video to let you know somebody's always listening.